Hi guys, welcome to a video of FMP Race, and today I'll be playing some Gorilla Tag. So, yeah.
Come on,
Alright.
Come. My name is
Wait, is this casual? Oh, it's casual.
And I shoot blue out my mouth. Now get over here now. I shoot blue stuff out my mouth.
What?
I shoot white stuff out my mouth.
Hello, my brother.
I shoot white stuff out my mouth.
I will be back. I need to go put on my real face. Okay, my brother. I will be back.
Boy, you actually home. Hey, what the fuck?
This server's so weird. I'm out. Hi there.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it again.
Yeah, I'm leaving again. You're not dying. I'm leaving again.
Oh, right.
Oh my gosh,
It's infection.
Purple's it.
Right.
The best person in here. Hello, Goofy man.
Oh, God.
You should have.
What is weird? What is going
Wow,
on?
you guys are trying to find
nowadays? What was that voice?
Nigger.
Oh yeah, get past
You know, camping is very unwise.
Someone just said the N-word.
So,
Wait, was it you who said the N-word?
Oh no problem. Oh shit, boss. Oh come balls. Anyways,
I don't like how you said the N-word. I'm reporting you.
that shit. That shit. Oh, good job.
White left is so weird.
I was like, bro, did you?
There's a new monkey. Oh, purple.
you go to something?
Still on there.
Oh, that was close.
Yeah, that was close. Whoa, oh!
What the?
Right, come on, get him. He's camping.
But hey, you gotta land a snowball on the target. You gotta land a snowball on the target. You gotta land a snowball on the target in order for me to come down.
Nah, I'll just come up.
Yes, Patty Hat, get in.
I'm getting so close.
Oh, he spawned next to me.
Bro,
Hey, that's a no, that's not a
monkey, love monkey!
Esa es un lava monkey?
Oh my god. Was he right on me? Yeah, he was literally right behind you. Look,
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Alright, I'm gonna walk more.
Oh my god. I haven't been in an intense hobby like this before.
There's this one spot, like right here.
No! Oh no! Oh, never mind.
Oh, you nutter!
God.
Skippity nutter! Is that a lava monkey? Lava monkey?
Yeah, keep doing it until like, no.
Whoa.
I'm sorry, guys.
Bro, I keep outside me. I keep going outside me boundary.
How'd you get up
Hi.
Do this.
Oh shit! Anyways,
Oh,
there is a lava monkey coming back up.
I can get to that branch, hold up.
You.
I wall climbed up.
Es no guay y interesante.
Fuck, that's the thing.
Oh my gosh.
No, the thing is,
Hablo
If I
los
go up here,
español.
Try again.
Los videojuegos.
Oh, mine was like a dark
Oh, a lava
blue.
monkey's coming. Oh shit, he's coming.
Mine was this
Oh,
color,
shit.
this exact color.
Fuck.
Oh, no, how was
You
you
never changed it?
Never changed it. Wait, should I make it to
Oh, that's my nut.
Ooh.
I'm gonna go cook these
My
lava
controller almost came out in the end.
Fuck. Why again? That's 3 times in a row. Lava monkey.
Oh, shit. We got a Russian hat on it. Russian hats are all like mid in the game. Like, they're not bad, but they're not good either.
Fuck. I won't do this 4 in a row.
Does anyone know how to join a pack too?
No shit, the lava monkey's coming again.
Bro, who's the best one in the
Oh, you
lobby?
did it. Anyway, fuck it.
Oh, calm down, mate.
This is a family friendly chess club.
Oh shoot, we got.
Does anyone know what?
Big mommy,
Why you gotta target me, bro? I mean, I am on ground.
I'm safe.
I see a goofy love monkey trying to elevator climb.
Anyone
Bro,
know
Pink, you're
what
just gonna
it
sit there the whole game.
Yeah.
Watch this. J-Man, cut his second. Oh yeah, she just got done this
You're
last
the
game.
damn player.
Oh,
You don't want to see my
Boy,
backside, pal.
Boy, do you want to play?
from pal, you can't get me, mate.
Boy, do you want to play
What?
a mini game?
What? Crap.
That's tiring, you know. Okay, give me a second.
I feel like you're coming after me.
You don't want to party with a
Oh,
dick.
lava.
Bro, why is he so much faster with hinge climbing?
Oh shoot, there's one.
Boundary. Fuck my boundary.
I just hit me back.
Yeah, come on me.
Do any of you guys know? Hey, blue hat. Do you know? Hey, do you want to play mini games?
Nah. What? What's your actual colour code? What's your actual colour code? No, what's your colour? What's your colour? Not your colour
I
code.
mean, what is it called? Yellow.
What's the funny goal?
Okay. When the match is over, I'll see.
Just take me the. Oh my god.
Wait, how do you go like underneath it?
Okay.
Doug.
Okay.
Doug. Good Doug.
I'll
Good
tell you.
Doug. The attraction.
Okay.
Pink, I'm coming.
Oh, wait.
No one wants to play mini games, mate.
But hold, like, just right underneath the tree
So like basically you can only hit it like that.
Tree camper, what tree?
We're not tree campers.
You're a target camper.
Hello.
And like put on your elbow.
Stop being a target camper.
Yeah, there's this love monkey that is trying to get me.
Like, what do I do after this?
There's a love
What the
monkey
fuck are you
that's
doing?
trying to get me.
What do I do here?
Yeah, ask him. He's gonna
Oh,
I need a bail.
Alright, this kid needs to keep on stop swearing. Keep on swearing.
But I would try that.
Wait, hold on.
Why is there a lot of
Buddy's headset just died midair. Buddy's headset died midair.
Was that on the group chat?
Imagine and that saved you.
Oh, come on.
Oh, I'm dead.
They're right there. Run!
Purple. I'm not gonna try
like a Chinese monkey.
Oh shoot, no, not the good kid.
Bruh.
You little Chinese monkey. You will come with me. You're getting touched by me.
That's an early access guy.
Run.
That's an early
That was
access
an
guy
early
right
access.
there.
Oh, you cheap. I'm so dead, bro. You're getting touched.
Why do I keep freaking falling? God, baba.
You cheeky little bastard. Okay, just fuck it. Okay. Let's see the line. Hey guys, the line.
Look out, stop swearing right now.
Hi, I'm the good kid. I know you love me.
For real, bro, stop cursing.
Fuck it.
Oh.
Stop swearing. I'm doing a YouTube video right now.
Just
Stop.
because your parents are home doesn't mean
Stop
you can start
swearing.
talking like that, bro.
Who's? Guys, yeah, stop swearing.
Family friendly.
Yes, guys. This is family
You weirdo.
friendly lobby. We need to stop swearing, guys. Yeah.
Well,
I'm gonna start saying.
Yes.
What should
Guys, we need to stop swearing.
I'm not supposed to think about swearing in my video.
my place.
Well, I just lost.
Oh god.
And I missed.
Yeah, guess what? Guess who's here?
Who's here?
Guess who's here?
Is that Kevin G?
It's the
Well, I just
boogeyman.
lost.
It's the boogeyman.
Bro's elevator climbing like it's his life.
I'm out of there.
The
That's the
boogeyman.
turn. Whoever
Come on, John,
tags
you ready
him.
for this?
Okay, whoever tags you, you need to. Okay. Whoever tags him, I will not nut on their butt. Okay, for a while.
I'm good.
Funny Godwin.
Okay, whoever tags. Okay, guys, that's just some rules. Whoever tags purple.
How do you do that, bro? I still don't
What
understand.
happens? Okay, it's not easy.
What?
It's not hard. Guys, come on. Not hard.
You have to
Not
go.
hard to do. Ready? Easy to do. Easy to do.
Bro,
Where is it?
you're not even trying to tag me. That's the thing.
I am.
No.
But you
too good. Now we'll nuts in your butt. Yes, I got him.
Oh, wait,
He didn't do it.
And with this.
What the?
Alright, Papa,
Down
let's do
in
this.
Ohio.
Papa,
How about that?
Oh my
Don't
God. You know what this kid just
tell
said in my Yo, bro, I'm going down in Ohio run. Y'all ready for this?
He said down in Ohio.
3,
Like
guys, I'm gonna do the Ohio
down in
run.
Ohio.
Ready?
I swear only Sigma knows Ohio. Skibbity
This is what I'm doing.
Yeah, we gotta get black. We gotta get black.
Duke, Dennis,
What's
Riz,
that?
Skibbity Torzy. Oh, black's not even good, bro.
Right?
This is a Skibbity Sigma.
Oh.
Skibbity Sigma. Who said Skibbity Sigma? Who said Skibbity Sigma?
Yeah, guys,
That's
I'm a
news to
Skibbity
me.
Sigma.
Bro, no, this is the
I'm not
Skibbity
trying to do
Sigma.
this.
My humanities
What's
teacher.
up, bro?
You
ready for
So
this?
this guys, no, I'm a Skibbity Sigma.
No, no Tesco. No Tesco. Alright guys, I'll have to end this video right now. Alright.